guys, I'm Nika, and I am a home baker. We are now on to our third episode of the Negosyo series. So for today's recipe, sobrang dali lang to. No need na ng mga heavy-duty equipment. Actually, kahit mga kids, kayang-kaya tong gawin. So preheat your oven to 170 degrees Celsius and let's get baking. In a large bowl, we are going to combine all our ingredients: desiccated coconut, flour, sugar, eggs, softened butter, and condensed milk. Once everything is well combined, we are going to pour this into our lined 3/4 ounces cupcake tins. Here we're using a 1/2 tablespoon to scoop out and measure our batter. This is optional, but we are going to top each one with raisins. We are going to bake this for 25 to 30 minutes or until the top looks golden brown. Once out of the oven, let cool and then we're ready to pack. O, diba? Sobrang dali lang gawin. Paghahalu-haluin mo lang sa isang bowl lahat ng ingredients and then that's it. You now have coconut macaroons. So ngayon, i-discuss na naman natin kung magkano ang ating nagastos at the same time, magkano kaya ang ating possible profit.
We spent 233.75 pesos for this recipe. So our recipe yields 100 pieces macaroons, so 233.75 divided by 100, that would equal to 2.30 pesos per piece. If we sell it per pack of 20 pieces, that would be 46 pesos plus packaging na 5 pesos, we would have a 51 pesos in total na cost. Therefore, you can sell this around 100 to 130 pesos per pack. For this recipe alone, we can produce 5 packs. So if we sell this for 100 pesos, we will have a sale of 500 pesos less the capital na 255 pesos. So we will have a profit na 245 pesos for this recipe.
I hope you learned a lot sa ating video today. Also, check out my Instagram account, yung highlight na Home Bakers, because I will be posting there and featuring there yung mga subscribers natin who tried out our recipes. Next week, meron na naman tayong panibagong video, so don't forget to like and share this video. At the same time, subscribe to my channel and then click the notification bell para maging updated kayo. Kita-kita na naman po tayo next week. Happy baking!